Hello guys, welcome to another video. And my name is Geetee, and if you're watching this video, that means you are on my channel. My name is Geetee. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it will help me grow. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how I go through the process of making my hair neat, cleaning my hair off, so those extra strands will be off the hair. So it's simple. All I do is I just duplicate my images. So the reason why I'm duplicating is so that I will see the amount of work I've done for the image before I do any other thing I do for the image. So I normally just use one tool for this whole work, but I'm going to show you two different tools that you can use for this work. So in this particular point, I'm going to be using the spot healing brush. So I'm just going to just pick a particular area, and make sure whenever you're picking an area, make sure you're following that line. If the hair is straight, you just go straight to the end of the line. Don't curve, unless the hair is that curved. Like for example, this one, I'm going to move like this. That is the only way it's going to go off. And make sure your brush is not too big. Your brush should be relatively the size of the hair. So that is how you have to keep doing it, and you have to be patient when you're doing it so you don't destroy the hair instead of fixing it. So I'll do that. I'll keep doing that for the rest of the video. So this is like one of the method, and this works the magic, because this is going to help you fix a lot of it, but this cannot fix the edge of the hair. Some of these things are very easy to understand, but when you're not doing it, you will never know how it is. So with just a little work, it seems like a lot has been done already. You can see, let's try fixing this. It worked. Let's try fixing this too. It worked a little. So if you're doing it like this, you end up destroying it. As you can see, it did not remove even that middle. So, but if I could go through this way, you see that it goes off. It goes off easily than when you're drawing line out of what was already there. So I'm going to just keep drawing like this. So mind you, this particular option is for when you are trying to fix a hair for somebody doing a hair job, not for your regular everyday job. Because if you want to do this for your everyday job, your work might come out very nice, but it's going to take a lot of time, especially when you are not being paid much around here, and you spending all this time trying to fix would be very stressful, most especially when you have a lot of clients to work with. So I think I am halfway done here. Let's try and rotate the image and see if we can fix little things here also. Let's keep checking. So let's go to the under, which is now the top, and do the same. So then I'll go back. Then one more thing I want to do before I jump into the second part is to create a curve, bring it down. Yes, bring it down around there, invert, and use my normal brush. Rotate the image again. And I just want to add some shadows into some of the areas of the hair. So I'm going to go to my regular brush. So what I'm doing is just trying to add shadows into some of the areas of the hair to just make it look a little bit more darker. Sorry, I saw this, so I have to remove it. Just keep painting this way. Now what I'm trying to do is make the hair have more depth and light. So with this now we know where our light is, and while I'm doing this, as you can see, we still have in between, we still have light, so it's not all shadow. So I'm just painting randomly. Okay, I think that's okay. Then let's see if we can do a little here too. The reason why I'm not using a very big brush is because I just want it to be in some places, not everywhere. So now let's go to another brush, which should be the light brush. Then we invert it. Then we just put more light on these areas too, just to see. This would help give the hair a beautiful light feel. Now, this thing I'm doing here, as you can see, when we're doing a YouTube tutorial, we intend to want to rush so we don't waste the whole time. But when you're doing it, it would be nice if you can spend more time doing this. So let's rotate it and see. So we have to go check our before and our after. This is our before and this is our after. Before and after. So I think I'm satisfied with these two. As you can see, the work they did, very beautiful work. I still think I want to use a larger brush for this part. Just try painting more like this. Then go to a different layout. That is like me measuring everything together. Then at this point you might just use your pen tool, just select around the hair, select around the hair like this. Oh sorry, if that's the problem, you just don't go that large. Hold down your Alt and click, create another one. Say okay, then you just, when you do that, you feather it. Sorry, feather it by 5. When you do that, the next thing, you just use your clone stamp, reduce the size of your brush, use your clone stamp, pick somewhere very close, and just paint. Yeah. Okay. I think this other side is fine for me. So that would be basically it. Let's try to fix this area too. Yeah, but because of what we have under, it's going to be more difficult fixing the areas like this, but you can do a little fix. Yeah. So with this done, I'm going to just select the subject and see how I can darken the background a little so we can focus on just the subject. So me having this, I will hold on and just add more areas. Just add more areas to my selection. Add more areas like this to my selection. Add here. Add this. add a little more. Then what I'm going to do is invert it. No, I could just Ctrl J, just add a little bit of shadow for it to be like this. Then still on top this, I can still add just a little bit of black from here. So we have gone from before to amazing after, the before and the after, the before and the after. So once again, if you loved the video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because this will motivate me to want to do more videos for you. So that is it for today's video. Thank you and see you in another video.